Hey everyone! Welcome back to SkillCareer, your go-to place for career clarity and skill building. Today, we're diving into a career that's growing super fast and has opportunities in just about every industry. Data analysis. If you've ever wondered how to become a data analyst, what skills you need, where to start, and what the growth path looks like, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the complete roadmap to help you go from absolute beginner to confident data analyst. So grab a notebook or just sit back and let's get started. First, let's talk about what a data analyst actually does. In simple terms, a data analyst is someone who collects, cleans, analyzes, and visualizes data to help companies make better decisions. Think of them like detectives, but instead of solving crimes, they solve business problems using data. Whether it's tracking sales, figuring out what customers like, or spotting patterns, data analysts play a big role behind the scenes in almost every organization. Now, why choose data analysis as a career? Well, for starters, the demand is huge. Just check any job board. Companies are hiring analysts everywhere. From tech and finance to healthcare and retail, there's a need for people who can make sense of numbers. And you don't need a PhD or computer science degree to start. You just need the right skills and the right plan. Let's break down the roadmap step by step. Step 1. Learn the basics of data analysis. Before you jump into tools and coding, take time to understand what data analysis is all about. Learn what types of data there are, what basic terms like mean, median, correlation, and data types mean. There are plenty of free courses out there to get you started. Step 2. Get comfortable with Excel or spreadsheets. Even though there are fancier tools out there, Excel is still used everywhere. Learn how to use formulas like VLOOKUP, create pivot tables, and clean messy data. If you're using Google Sheets, that works too. It has similar functions. Step 3. Learn SQL. This one's a must. SQL is the language used to talk to databases. Almost every company stores their data in databases, and SQL helps you pull exactly what you need. Learn how to write basic queries, filter data, and join tables together. Practice online with free tools until you get confident. Step 4. Learn a programming language like Python or R. Most people go with Python because it's easier to learn and super powerful. Focus on libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. These help you clean data, do math, and make charts. If you're more into statistics or research, R is a good option too. Step 5. Learn data visualization tools. Being able to tell a story with data is just as important as analyzing it. Learn how to use tools like Power BI or Tableau. These let you build interactive dashboards and charts that help people understand what's going on in the data. Step 6. Build real projects. Theory is great, but nothing beats hands-on experience. Download datasets from sites like Kaggle, analyze them, and create visual reports. Make a GitHub profile or a blog where you can show off your work. This helps build your portfolio, which is a huge plus when applying for jobs. Now let's talk about soft skills. To be a good analyst, you need more than just technical knowledge. You'll need critical thinking so you can ask the right questions, good communication to explain your findings, and curiosity to dig deeper into problems. Think of it like solving a puzzle. You need both logic and creativity. What about certifications? While they're not always required, having one can boost your profile, especially if you're starting from scratch. Look into the Google Data Analytics Certificate, IBM's Data Science Program, or Microsoft's Data Analyst Associate Certification. They're great for structured learning and can help you stand out. So, how do you get your first job as a data analyst? Start by applying for internships or freelance gigs. Even volunteer work counts if you can show that you worked with real data and delivered results. Build up your LinkedIn profile, share your projects, and apply for roles like junior analyst or reporting analyst. During interviews, focus on explaining your thinking, not just your technical skills. Once you land your first role, there's a clear path for growth. You might start as a data analyst, then move into roles like senior analyst, analytics manager, or even data scientist. Eventually, you could become a director of analytics or a chief data officer. And if you want to specialize, you can go into product analytics, marketing analytics, or machine learning. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips. Keep learning. Data tools and trends change quickly. Subscribe to newsletters, follow industry blogs, or join data communities online. Work on your storytelling. Numbers are only useful if people understand them. Practice turning data into simple, clear takeaways. Don't be afraid to start small. Everyone starts somewhere. Your first project doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be real. So that's your roadmap to becoming a data analyst. Whether you're a student, a career switcher, or just curious, now you know exactly where to start and how to move forward. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to SkillCareer for more videos like this. Got questions or want help with a specific part of the journey? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone. And until next time, keep learning and keep building. You've got this.